Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a brand new haul video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products that I recently purchased at Ulta Beauty. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and see what I got. Big box this time. You guys know what that means. I actually had a lot of reward points saved up. So I had like $140 saved up in rewards points. I got a 20% off coupon that I was waiting for it to spend those points, and I was like, okay, it's my birthday month, I get double the points, like let's go ahead and go a little crazy. So that's what I did. I'm really excited about a lot of these products I purchased. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and get rid of the fluff in here. And the first product I ended up getting, and I got this one during the sale. I just threw it in this box so I could show it to you guys. But I actually got the Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. So this was on sale during the 21 Days of Beauty. And I got it for actually $5 because it was only $15 and I had the 10 off birthday coupon. So I was like, oh, I don't need another bronzer. I'm planning on getting the Marc Jacob bronzer over the Sephora sale. And I was like, you don't need another one. But I couldn't resist having that birthday coupon. I was like, I need it. So I ended up getting the Chocolate Soleil. I've never tried this before, and I know this is so many people's like holy grail bronzer, so I thought it was a good time to get it during this sale. Super cute packaging on this one, and it looks like it's just going to be my perfect tone of bronzer. I really love just like matte kind of cool tone bronzers. Those are my favorite, kind of like my sweet spot for bronzing. So here is a swatch of it right there. I'm really excited to try it out. I have tried some of Too Faced's bronzers before, and I do really like them, but I haven't actually tried this one, and I feel like this is the one I hear the most people talking about. So I did get a couple of different foundations to test out. The first one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I've been hearing a lot of people rave about this one, and I always love finding new drugstore foundations. I love using drugstore products on my channel, on my Instagram, and I really enjoy just finding good drugstore foundations. I honestly feel like there are so many. I've just heard a lot of people raving about this one, and I thought, why not give it a try, see if it works for me. So I got the shade 420 True Beige. Hopefully that's a good match for me. I hate shade matching online. I feel like it's really hard to just tell. This one does have a pump. Ooh, okay. That came out a lot faster than I thought. It's pretty watery consistency. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to be thicker. But I feel like I love it when drugstore foundations have pumps because not a lot of them do. And I feel like more and more are starting to come out with pumps, which I do appreciate because obviously you use less product when you use a pump. Kind of has a funky smell to it. It almost smells like bug spray or something. And I'm really curious now about this formula because for some reason I thought it was going to be more of like a thicker consistency. So I'm going to just rub a little bit out on my hand here. It actually looks like this shade might be an okay match. It might be a tint too beige, but I think I can definitely make this one work. It's not anything too crazy, so hopefully I'll like this foundation. I can't wait to try it out. I feel like I have so much foundation on my hand now. I'm going to try and get a little bit of this off. I also purchased another foundation. Now this one is a high-end one, but I've been meaning to try for a really long time. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. And I got mine in the shade Fair Light. Again, I'm hoping this is going to be a good match for me. So here's what the foundation looks like. This is not a new foundation by any means. This has been out for a long time, but I really have been seeing a lot of people raving about this lately, and I don't know why. I mean, obviously it's going to be a good foundation, but I don't know why so many people are just now talking about it because I feel like it's been out for so long. Maybe people like me just get late to the party, so I'm hoping that this is going to be a new favorite for me as well. So this one's a little bit thicker when I pumped it out, which is kind of what I was expecting from the other one here, and it feels pretty thick, but it actually looks like it has a good like luminosity to it. I'm actually excited about it. Hopefully that shade, it looks like it's going to be okay. It might be a tint too dark again, but I would rather have my foundation a little bit too dark than too light. I just feel like personally for me, I can make it work with like blending it in with my concealer and stuff like that, but blending it out, it looks like it's going to be an okay match. So the next thing I actually got has been on my list for a long time now. This is the Bio Oil, and what I got this for is I have some pretty, like, they're not horrible, but they're definitely noticeable stretch marks on my lower or my upper like leg area right by my butt, and I feel like I've had those my whole life. I got them, I was probably like 12. I feel like I went through a growth spurt and popped all these stretch marks, and I've always been pretty self-conscious about them, but they're not enough to like not let me wear shorts or a swimsuit or anything like that. But I've always just wanted them to, you know, go down. Obviously, I mean, I know they're a natural thing and so many people have them. But I've always, you know, wanted to treat them a little if possible, and I've been hearing people talking about this. So this is the Oil Skincare Oil, and it's supposed to help with stretch marks. So it says help improve the appearance of stretch marks, and I don't know if this is really gonna work, but I saw that it was available at Ulta. I've seen it on Amazon a few times actually, and I thought about purchasing it there, but I was like, no, I'll just throw it in my cart at Ulta, and next time there's a sale, I'll grab it there. So it was about $29 for this thing right here, which I feel like has a decent amount in it. So if you guys want to see like an updated version on this, I'll definitely like let you guys know how these products are working for me. But definitely this one, I'll try it out for the next few months and let you guys know how my progress is with that. If you have tried it, please let me know down below if you've had good results with it or any other recommendations you do have for like small stretch marks. I would appreciate it. So up next, I'm so excited to see what this one looks like. So this is called Smith & Colt Glitter Shot. That is the brand Smith & Colt, and it's called their Glitter Shot All Over Glitter Crushed Pigment. This is something that I've seen on the front page of Ulta pretty much every single time I go onto Ulta. It's screaming at me. It's like, buy me, buy me, buy me. Oh my God. And I really am not really into this sort of thing. Like pressed pigments aren't really my thing, but I keep seeing this and I'm like, I need it in my life. It looks so pretty. Look at this. It's kind of like a crushed, just like piecey glitter. I'm not sure if this one is something you're gonna need glitter glue for. I really didn't read too much on it, so I'm not exactly sure what even to expect with this. It feels more like a gel kind of. And here's what it looks like on my fingers. So it's definitely picking up some pieces here. I'll go ahead and swatch it. I don't know that that's like the most blown away I feel with this. It definitely looks like you have a few pieces in here. I kind of just like the chunky glitter look of it, and I feel like that's what kind of drew me into it. I don't have a lot of things like that, and it's definitely something I feel like I'm going to need a glitter glue with because it's not really sticking very well. But I mean, it's been calling at me. I got the 20% off and I'm like, okay, I'm getting this because I've been wanting it for so long. They have a bunch of different colors. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I was just really curious about it, and it looks pretty interesting. I feel like I could create some fun looks with this, definitely like festival time too. I feel like that would be fun for a festival. Okay, and then up next, I actually bought a fragrance, which, if you guys know me, I am so cheap when it comes to spending money on fragrances. I don't know why. I like high-end scents, but I'll never spend the money on a fragrance because I'm just so cheap when it comes to it. I don't know. I'll buy it for my husband. Like, I buy him the Armani one that he likes, and I'll buy it for him, but for myself, I'm like, you don't need that. Like, I don't know why, but I finally was like, okay, treat yourself. You've got the points. Like, just get it. This is one that I love. I've had the little samples of this one over and over again because I really like it. This is the Michael Kors Wonderlust perfume, and I bought the biggest one they had. This one was like the Mac Daddy. It's $100, which, I mean, like I said, I'm cheap when it comes to these, but holy, okay, this definitely is the Mac Daddy. This is a big one. I saw this one, and there was like one down. I think that one was like 82. And that one had almost like half the amount as this one did. So I was like, okay, for $20 more, you can literally get like double the amount in there. So I went ahead and I got the big one. Look at the packaging on this, so cute. I'm so excited to have a new fragrance. I have quite a few, but honestly, I don't have like a set stone like favorite one that I always use. I use the Black Opium one from YSL, and I do like that one, but it's not one that I want to use every day. Like, I kind of feel like I just want something else to mix it up too. I have my ones from Define Me that I use as well, but I don't know, I was feeling like I wanted a new fragrance, and this one has just been on my list for so long. It smells so good. It's kind of like a florally, just like girly scent. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells so good. It's gonna look so cute in my little perfume holder too. This packaging is adorable. And then there's just one last thing that I purchased, and I got some Shisido facial cottons. I was like going through the different brands trying to figure out like what I wanted, and I saw this pop up and I was like, oh, I thought they only sold those at Sephora, but they had them at Ulta, so I got another one of these just because I had the 20% off, and I love these. They are so good for removing your eye makeup. They're just so soft and gentle on the skin, and I love, love, love them. So I have a backup already, but I was just like, just throw another one in there, so I went ahead and got another one of those. But that is everything that I did get in my haul. Let me know if you guys want to see me come back and do like a try-on haul, or I could do just like a follow-up to this haul. Let me know down in the comment section down below. If you guys picked up anything during the 20% off sale, let me know in the comment section, or anything that you think I should pick up from Ulta. I'm always looking on stuff and trying to see what I should get next, so let me know down below. Give this one a thumbs up if you love these hauls. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.